So welcome to the course for PowerShell scripting and automation for SQL Server database administration. In the last video session, what we have done, we have created one script and we have added various of parameter like simple script, added try and catch. Then last video session, what we have done, we have just clearing the log file, like where the result file has been generated, like result file. That result file should not has to append the value previous value. For that, what we have done, we have just clear the log, clear the result file, and then it is we are writing into it. So this is some more, it is okay, but we are going to in this script also there is some drawback, and this script is not a constant script. Why it is? Just I will go step by step. So we are going to generate this as a PS1 script. How we will generate? We'll go to the file, and then we'll go to the save as, and this one I can delete it. Okay, I cannot. Okay, it is deleted, so I'm giving name as SQL underscore server underscore instance underscore name, something like that, name. And what I'm going to do, if directly if you are saving this file will be saved as a ps1 file, right? .ps1 file. Yeah, I have saved it. So now what you are going to see, you are going to see this file has been generated. So in real time, what you have to do, if somebody is asking you, please send me the PowerShell script, what you will do, you are going to give this PowerShell script, right? This PowerShell script. So again, this there is one more thing. If some people want to run this script, how they will run? They will go to this location, right? Like I have this new, I will go to the cd chain directory, and I will paste my location and just went here. I am in this location, right? Next, what I will do, I will be go and I will execute this PowerShell file. That is the SQL server. I will write here SQL and I will press tab. So this what file we have saved .ps1, it's came here and I'm pressing the enter. So this file has been executed, and you can see the result is also generated here. If you have any doubt, I will delete it here, and then again I want to execute this. So now you can see and press the enter. So now you see I have deleted it file, so that's why it is created and executed, and whatever result I want, it is written into this. So this is working fine. This script is working fine, but it's having some drawback. What is the drawback? In this script, if we are going to give any other person to execute, they have to do, they have to change this all location, right? Because maybe for that person this D drive will be not there. If the D drive now is not available, so he has to change to some other drive, or he has to create this folder like this, right? If this folder will be not there, so you will get some error, right? So you will get some error. So there is some problem, like you have to change something in this script. And changing the script, you cannot give to anyone like go and change this script and then execute it, because what is going to be happen, if he is changing the script, maybe he will forget to change something, or by mistake he changed something else, so it is going to create the problem, and script will not run. So what people is doing, what you have to do, you have to make as a constant script. So making this as a constant script, what we are going to do, how we can do this, means I don't want to change anything in this script, just I will execute it and it has to generate the result. So what you seen, like we are putting this script in this folder, right? So why should not we will tell PowerShell, what we will say to the PowerShell, where you are keeping this PS1 file, where you are keeping the script, generate the result file in this location, right? So whenever you are executing the script, you will execute from some path, right? So if you are going to execute from some path, we will tell the PowerShell which path you are available or which path you are executing the script. In the same path only, you go and generate the result file. That is the one thing. Second thing, and I can write one logic in such a way, means because we have to pass some this path also, right? Where this file name also, right? So we will write this logic in such a way, it means where is your PowerShell file, there only in that location only you go and pick up the configuration file, generate the log file or result file into that location. So how to do this? This is very, very simple. Let us start and we'll see how we can do. I'm going to that script. Where is this script? Okay, this is some different script. Okay, this is the script, right? So what I'm going to do in this script, this is also very, very simple things, not much more. What I will do, I will create one folder. I will create one variable, and in this variable I am going to use get location dot path. If you are going to give the get location and path, what it will do, it will be going to tell you your current path, which path you are there. If I'm going to execute only this much, it is saying D my Udemy 2014 and 2040 video for YouTube, something like that. So what you understood, get location, if you'll run only this much, this is a command. Let's, so it will give this result in this way. If you are giving dot path, then result is not going to display this path and line. It will be just display the result, right? So we figure out this is the current path which is going to saved into this variable. So this is what, this is your variable which is taking your current path, right? Now we have to write some logic, right? What we want to implement, in which path you are executing the script, in the same path only it has to generate the log file. So what we will do for this, so this is my path, right? This is my path. What I will do, I am creating one variable that is called result variable. I will write here dollar result, and in this I am saving this value, right? There is no doubt, right? So this result value having this one. Okay, coming to next, what I am going to do, I am going to add this to file. What is this to? I will just copy this and I am writing here variable. I'm creating one more variable, and in this variable what I'm going to do, I'm going to join this two path. What is, I have the two path. One path is current folder. Current folder, you got it, what it's having, I have already displayed, it's having the current value. In this I am adding my result. What it's having the in the dollar result is the result name, right? If I'm going to execute this much of only line, what I will get the result. If I'm going to execute this variable, I will get this value, right? So what is this value? This value is nothing but this only, right? So current path where we are, it is added this result.tats. So instead of writing this, what I will do, I am going to give this variable only. So what this variable will happen, in the current path, which path you are there, in that path only it is going to generate this. So what I will do, I will just paste it here, right? Correct. This is nothing but this. Correct. So same way, everywhere where this file is there, I am going to replace with this. Okay, so result file I will replace with this. I'm not changing this because just if you have to take the server name, you go and take from this location only. That one also we are going to change. So now I hope you understood. So everywhere where this file you are using result file or generating the result file, that one I am going to replace with this variable, because this variable having the current path and that file name. Now if I will go and if I will execute this, what is going to be happen now? Execute it. So it is going to be create the result file in this location, right? In this location, result file it is going to create, right? So that is the one thing we have fixed it. Next things what we have to fix, we have to fix this line, right? So where is your configuration file from where you are passing the server name? So that also we are trying to give which path is my, which path we are executing this, that path only we will change this. So how we can do? this is my server name, right? So in same way, what we will do here, I will create one folder dollar variable server name is equal to, I'm going to give this, and in the same way we are going to add this. Creating one more variable, giving underscore file underscore path, something with path I want result. So just it is a variable. And what I'm going to do, I am going to join this path. So which path? My current folder path and my this variable. So where I'm using this line, I can replace with this variable. I have copied it and just I will replace it. Right now my script is ready. If I'm going to execute this, it is asking like it is going to save something. I think I have done wrong. Okay, because of this. Now if I will execute this, let's see, because it does not exist. Okay, yes, because this file is not available in that location, that's why it is failing. I will copy this and I'm going to paste it here. If I'm going to execute this, so this time I will get the result. Okay, so if anybody, so now your script is fully ready, right? So what I will do, I will create one folder. What folder it is? Finding SQL Server. It is just for understanding purpose how to start writing the script. So I will create this folder and I am putting this to here, this one, and this is my this one, right? So any person is asking, you can zip this and you can give this as a folder, right? So now if I have to run this script, right, what I will do, I will copy this path and anywhere I can put. Now you can see I'm going in some different location, going in this PC. Even I will go to the D drive. This time what I'm doing, I'm going inside this dump folder and here I'm pasting it, right? So now my script is where? My script is in this location. What I will do, I will right click on this, copy, and I'm going to this path, CD. Just I have pasted it. I am there in this location, right? Next, SQL Server instance. I will write SQL Server instance name, press enter, right? Now my script has been executed and the result will generate in here, because in this script we have written one logic. That logic is which path your script you are executing, in the same path only you go and pick up your server name, right? And in the result also you generate into this file. So now nobody has to change anything. Just if you are giving this script, what it has to change, it has to change only this value, or some, if you want, like it has to be generate one folder like that, log and or result folder, and inside that result has to go. So that also you can write the logic. So for this I have already explained in my Udemy courses. I will give this link into this description. You can go and you can watch this one time. There I have gone into the more detail. So like this only you have to create the any script. So any person you are going to give, you can give this script. So nobody has to change anything inside the script. So where your script will be there, it is going to generate result in that only. If you want to open the script, then also you can open in this way. Right click on this and you can go to the file and open it, right? So in that location it is going to be execute, right? So I hope you, I will go here and I will go to this again. I have executed. So it is going to generate the file and it is result will be there, not here. It will be here. So here it is generated the result. If you are going to execute one more time, the same script down, you can see what is going to be happen. Nothing. It is just in the same file. It is going to delete the all value and then it will be right. I hope you understood. Please go and visit my Udemy my course on Udemy, and 100% if you are working as a SQL Server DBA, this all video, this all classes is going to be very important, very useful for you, and you can develop by yourself. You can finish the work in some time. Thanks for watching my video. Please continue watch.